Hey there, I'm meteorologist Eric Burris here at the Orlando Science Center with Mary. And Mary, we're talking about the human body and how the human body takes input.
Yeah, one of the ways that we do that is with sound, and sound's really cool. It's just vibration through air, and how that vibrates is going to depend on how you hear it. What happens is that it's going to hit your ears, this big part here, your outer ear. It's going to come in, and that is really good at catching all the sound. It does a wonderful job at it, and then it travels through your middle ear. It's going to hit your eardrum and your smallest 3 bones in your entire body.
Oh, interesting.
And that's your middle ear, then it comes over to your outer ear and your cochlea, and that is going to be the part that actually transmits it to your brain.
Right.
And it does that, you're covered with all these little tiny hairs. It goes in, it starts shaking it up, and the hairs go, hey brain, I hear a sound.
So the hairs play into it.
The hairs play into it. And eventually, your brain goes, that was just somebody screaming off to the side there.
That's Mary's voice.
Yes, that's Mary's voice over to the side.
Yeah.
But sound comes in a few different speeds of it. We call it the frequency, and that's going to depend on what you hear.
Yeah.
So I have a tuning fork right here, and you'll see it vibrate as well, and you can just hear it. It's not the loudest tuning fork in the world. There you go.
That's got a nice tone to it, though.
Yeah, and how fast it's going, its frequency depends on its pitch to it, what note it's hitting. And if I hit this one, it's gonna go a little faster. It's a little louder.
Nerd fact, by the way, this is how our radar actually measures wind, using the Doppler effect, which is just noise and pitch of noise. Cool. Sidebar.
I love that.
Yeah.
Well, pitch and noise is just one part of it, where notes are hitting. Then you also have music, which is like the best part of sound, I think.
And you're a player, so.
I am. So you have two parts of music that come together with the sound. You have the melody, which is just playing one note after another, and then the harmony, which is playing notes on top of each other. A melody could sound like, and a harmony could sound something like just hitting chords.
Beautiful. Yep.
Or you can put them together to get a little bit of a song.
Yeah. Isn't that something? And it's all just coming through as vibrations.
Through vibrations in the world.
That's what I call good vibrations. All right, so Mary, this month is kind of special here at the Orlando Science Center because people can actually get an opportunity to learn more about this.
Absolutely. If you come to our story times every day, 10:30 and 11:30 here in the Kidstown studio, you can have a chance to do our instrument petting zoo. We'll have drums, chimes, my beautiful keyboard here. And it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have so much fun making a bunch of noise, being really loud.
Mary, thank you very much, and thank you for joining us for the science of it.